Hey, Ken, I've got another great question for you today from Shannon. She says, I'd like more info on how C60 affects the brain when it passes the blood-brain barrier, and most especially the heart. For instance, I'm curious about people who have congestive heart failure. Specifically, how will taking carbon 60 affect them if they have a stent? Any products discussed have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. Any products discussed are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, prevent, or mitigate any disease.
Individual results may vary. Well, first off, the reason C60 is so effective and it does pass the blood-brain barrier is that C60 is an SOD catalase mimic, which means the mitochondria, the little energy powerhouses in your cells, turn back on when you have C60 to their best extent. Now, one of the things is that nerve cells in the body have the most mitochondria of any cells in the body. They have literally hundreds of them. And so if you can get your mitochondria to work more efficiently in your nerve cells, well then obviously brain health and mental function, people notice increased mental clarity, focus, and alertness, a whole bunch of this. And the other thing is muscle cells, especially heart cells, also have lots of mitochondria. So when you take C60, the C60 will be uptaken by the mitochondria. Now that the heart cells can produce, the maximum amount of ATP that they can, and obviously that would benefit heart health.
Okay.
C60 doesn't react with a stent at all. C60 doesn't react with any minerals, nutrients, drugs, supplements, anything at all. It only interacts with the two most damaging oxidative radicals in the body, and that's superoxide and the hydroxyl ion, and it doesn't interact with anything else.
So if I've got congestive heart failure with a stent, should I be concerned?
Yeah, the C60 will not interact with that or the medications that you're taking.
Okay, thanks, Ken.